Foodchem International Corporation was established in 2006 in Shanghai by Mr. Jiang, with the mission of let Chinese food ingredients power global food industry. Foodchem studied from food ingredients trading business. In 2010, warehouse management system was implemented in Shanghai, Qingdao, and Tianjin port warehouses. In 2017, overseas warehouse was set up in Belgium and USA. In 2012, as manufacturing center of Foodchem, Foodmate was built in Jiangxi Province to produce functional food ingredients. In 2019, R&D Center started operation in Shanghai. We provide more than 500 products, including food ingredients, feed additives, cosmetics additives, farm chemicals. Shanghai R&D Center provides hydrocolloids, baking enzymes, compound and tabletop sweeteners, TG enzymes, and other products for global customers, focusing on meat products, baking, candy, beverage, and other applications. Now we are devoted to creating more value for our customers with strong technology, stable production capacity, and overseas warehouses. After 60 years of rapid development, Foodchem Group has formed a multi-brand strategy: Foodchem, Foodmate, and Ekosweet. In the past 16 years, Foodchem has served 5,000 more customers from 120 more countries. Benefiting from well-organized management, professional R&D team, productive supply chain team, sourcing 500 more products from 2,000 more suppliers, energetic sales team, more than 50 sales representatives serving customers 24 hours online, and experienced customer service team. Foodchem has cooperated with a lot of esteemed partners. Foodchem is always open to every new opportunity to expand more market together with our customers. We will keep improving to be the best partner in China. Our ingredients, your success.